Event Planner Website Templates with Divi. We're exploring two striking Event Planner website templates with Divi. One is a budget-friendly premium choice, while the other is a fantastic free option. Before we start, if you haven't installed the Divi theme yet and need guidance, click on the link in the description below for a complete walkthrough. First template is from the Divi Marketplace. This Event Planner website template could be yours for just $9.99. You can easily purchase and implement it. Now, let's explore the live demo. Kicking off with a captivating hero section, this template makes a powerful first impression. The stunning visuals and engaging text welcome visitors seamlessly, setting the perfect tone for your brand. Next, we delve into the About Us section. This space beautifully conveys your company's story and values, fostering a personal connection with potential clients. Moving on, we have the Pricing and Plans section. Well organized and straightforward, it showcases your packages in an appealing manner, making it easy for clients to understand their choices. Here we meet the Our Team section, a fantastic way to introduce your skilled professionals. It adds a personal touch, encouraging trust and familiarity with your team. Finally, explore the Contact Us section, complete with a client-friendly form and accessible contact information. This ensures communication is smooth and effortless for your visitors. Now, let's explore a fantastic free template, accessible once you download and install the Divi theme. This free template begins with a striking hero section, captivating your audience with its dynamic design and compelling introduction. Next, we arrive at the Services section. This area is perfectly organized to showcase the wide range of services you offer, tailored to meet every client's need. The Pricing and Packages section follows, designed to clearly present your service tiers in an attractive and easy-to-digest format, helping clients find the perfect fit without fuss. And completing the experience is the Footer section. It includes another chance to connect via the Contact Us area, along with social media icons to broaden your digital reach. If you're interested in learning how to create and edit this free website template with Divi, check the link in the description. It guides you through creating a modern website with Divi and WordPress. And that's it.